Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working on a cool surface, so park in the shade. Start immediately after washing the panel. Use the included cleaner to lift contaminants. This improves adhesion and reduces swirl marks. Apply cleaner with a microfiber cloth in overlapping passes because uniform coverage matters. Once done, inspect the surface under good light and make sure no grit remains. You're ready to move to compound or polish. Treat one panel at a time to keep control and consistent results. You choose compound when scratches are present and polish when you want gloss. Test a small corner first. Set up the pad and apply a pea-sized amount. Spread it thin before increasing speed. Work in roughly 2 foot by 2 foot sections with either slow circular or controlled back and forth motions because both methods remove defects if you're consistent. Make sure to moderate pressure and keep the applicator moving to prevent heat. This protects paint finish. Once the residue breaks down, wipe with a clean microfiber to inspect the. You finish by applying the 3M sealant or wax thinly to protect your work. A little goes a long way. Spread in uniform passes, allow the specified dwell time, and then buff to reveal depth and repellent properties. Make sure to inspect edges, door jambs, and plastic trim. Remove excess with a small brush or clean cloth to avoid streaks. If a haze or ghosting appears, rebuff immediately with a clean microfiber or use a quick detailer. This usually clears it without reworking the panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.